The curriculum book that I'm reading today is called Tools by Ann Norris and Photographs, nonfiction book, by Ken Hyman, H-E-Y. Getting my word card set up over here. So I can do all of this work. Okay. All right. 2 pictures for 2 words. The 2 words now are repair and similar. Repair means mend or fix. When you repair something, you make it work again or put it back together. Similar. When people or things are similar, they are alike. They are almost the same, but not exactly the same. Repair and similar. Repair, mend or fix. When you repair something, you make it work again or put it back together. Similar. When people or things are similar, they are alike. They are almost the same, but not exactly the same. Looking at the 2 pictures, see if you can figure out which picture shows repair. Point to the picture that you think shows repair. Now point to the picture that you think shows similar. Did you point to this one for repair? Right. Working on a crack in the sidewalk there. And this picture did you point to for similar? This is what the word repair looks like. This is what the word similar looks like. Repair and similar. Now let's take a look at 2 more. Communicate and useful. Communicate and useful. When you communicate, you share your thoughts or feelings with another person, usually by talking, writing, or drawing. Useful means helpful. When something is useful, you can use it to help you do something. Communicate and useful. When you communicate, you share your thoughts or feelings with another person, usually by talking, writing, or drawing. Talking and drawing. Useful means helpful. When something is useful, you can use it to help you do something. Point to the picture that you think shows communicate. Now point to the picture that you think shows useful. Did you pick this picture to show communicate? This is the word communicate. Did you pick this picture to show useful? This picture shows useful. Okay, now let's see how these words are connected. How they are connected to the book. Tools by Ann Norris, Photographs by Ken Hyman. Tools. Well, that's a very big saw on a super big log these people are using. It's a saw that 2 people have to use it. 2-handed saw. All over the world, people use tools. This man is using a very tiny saw that he's cutting, it looks like metal with. And here, someone is using a tool to cut hair. Tools help us in many ways. That man is shaving, trimming the mustache of a friend. They help us to cut. There's different pictures of jack-o'-lantern carving. That reminds me of Halloween, or pumpkins, or making a jack-o'-lantern. Did you make a connection to a haircut, or someone you saw use a tool, or using a tool yourself? They help us to cut and pound and dig. Can you make a connection on seeing or using any tools that dig or pound or cut? We farm with tools. This reminds me of, can you think of a time when you used something outside, like in a garden? We cook with tools. These photographs are from all around the world. It's not just in Seattle or Washington or even the United States or North America. We even eat with tools. Spoon, a straw, and chopsticks. People use tools to make things. I see jewelry and a kind of lace work that's called tatting, when you make lace with threads like that. Here someone's hammering. To make things and to fix things. Talented people. And to clean. Did you make a connection? Have you used tools to clean? Or seen someone clean? And then offered to help? Tools help us to write and count. We have a lot of tools. Oh. Tool bag, tool box. And draw and paint. Tools help us with our work. They make our lives easier. And here in the back of this book, they tell us each country of origin where the photograph is taken, and a little bit of information about the tools that are there. Can you think of a part of the book where things were useful? Can you think of a part of the book where you saw something connected to repair? Can you think of a part of a book where you saw things that were similar? Or a part of the book where you saw communicate? Tools. Put my words and pictures clipped together, and then I put them inside my book, so my book goes away, it has everything I need when I need it next.